So on the Nifty chart, I'm here on the 4-hour time frame. We can still see fairly positive development, I would say. The idea is still that we are in a larger degree fifth wave. This fifth wave likely started in April, and the fifth wave itself would be a 5-wave move and is likely unfolding as an impulse. So what we have here from the April low to the June high is a 5-wave move in circle wave 1. Then we had a wave 2 pullback, which was rather shallow, but absolutely acceptable as a wave 2. And this here, the move up from the August low, can now be also interpreted as a 5-wave advance. So that means we have further evidence that we're going higher. And of course, there are clear support levels. Yeah, there are clear invalidation points. But so far, it's looking, let's say, promising for the bulls here. I can treat the advance here as possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a leading diagonal pattern in wave 1. And so I treat the current pullback as a wave 2. The invalidation point for this 1-2 setup is the swing low from August, and that is at $24,330. And I mean, we can zoom in a little bit because that would give us an idea of the micro patterns. I don't really see a clear 3-wave decline yet, so I mean, we might get a nice ABC structure. The idea would be, that's the current thesis, that this here is the A wave. We might get a B wave and then could get a C wave decline. So in terms of structure, that's how I see it. And in terms of resistance, this is what we would watch for as standard resistance for a B wave bounce. Please note that B waves, I mean, they can technically overshoot. That is not so common in a wave 2, but can happen. Therefore, obviously, we have to give it a lot of room to move. And the idea is we might be working currently on this B wave bounce, and the B wave bounce itself should be a 3-wave move. So, I mean, that's the idea at the moment, yeah, because we have a bounce, we had a rejection, yeah, but we haven't broken the low yet. So it's very much possible that we're doing something like this, A, B, C in wave B. And but overall, we already tested the support area for wave 2, and there are 4 Fibonacci levels to watch for support: 25,560, 25,323, 25,087, and 24,755. Support is not the same as invalidation, but as long as we're holding that support box, the market might try to go higher overall. And then medium term, long term, or rather for 2026, I mean, 29,000 plus seems realistic. Yeah, especially if we consider that from the August low alone to the end of 2025, the price moved up 8%. Yeah, so from where we are now, in considering the next move up should be a third wave. Yeah, okay, we might, I mean, 29,000 is maybe a bit optimistic, but it should be a third wave. So yeah, it's possible, okay? But first of all, we need to find a low at the moment. This is still a correction.